In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Google Analytics 2025. This will enable you to track the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns with precision and gather valuable insights for your strategies. Before we dive into the integration, make sure you have administrative access to both your Google Analytics account, specifically the GA4 property, and your Mailchimp account. This access is crucial because it allows you to connect the two platforms seamlessly. As a pro tip, consider using the same Google account for both services to ensure a smoother integration process. Once your permissions are sorted, the first thing you will want to do is enable Google Analytics in Mailchimp. Start by navigating to the Account section, then head over to Integrations or Connected Sites. Here, look for Google Analytics in the list of available integrations. Click the Connect or Add Integration button. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. After you sign in, select your Google Analytics property, which should be the GA4 one you have access to. Click Allow to let Mailchimp send campaign data to Google Analytics. With this setup, Mailchimp will automatically tag your email links with UTM tracking parameters, allowing for detailed tracking. Now let's ensure Google Analytics tracking is turned on for your specific Mailchimp campaigns. When you create or edit a campaign within Mailchimp, go to the Campaigns menu, then click Create and choose Email. Under the Settings and Tracking section, toggle on Google Analytics link tracking. Don't forget to give your campaign a memorable name, as this is what will show up in your Google Analytics reports. Once you've named your campaign, save your settings and proceed with designing your email. For example, if you name your campaign October Promo 2025, this will appear under the Acquisition section in your GA4 reports, specifically under Traffic Acquisition and Source/Medium as Mailchimp email. Next, let's add your website domain to Mailchimp. This ensures that Mailchimp knows exactly which site to track. Go back to Integrations and select Google Analytics. Under Connected Sites, hit Add Site and enter your website URL. Then click Add Site Code. Mailchimp will generate a tracking code snippet for you. Copy the snippet and paste it just before the closing tag in your website's HTML. If you're using platforms like Shopify, Wix, or WordPress, you can paste this code into your theme header or use a Mailchimp site verification plugin. Finally, viewing your campaign data in Google Analytics is the exciting part. After your email campaign is live, go to Google Analytics, find Reports, then Acquisition, and select Traffic Acquisition. Filter by Source/Medium to see Mailchimp/email along with your campaign name. You'll be able to view the number of users from your email, the pages they visited, and any conversion events. If e-commerce tracking is set up in GA4, you can even see which campaigns drove sales.